Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a little bunny. Are you ready?
Let's do this. Oink.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today my daughter Valentina is here with me. Valentina, wanna say hi?
Hi.
Valentina and I were gonna draw a little bunny because Easter is coming. Let's start in the middle of the paper. The first thing we're gonna do is the nose, and this time we're gonna do the nose like a little heart. So I'm gonna do like a little heart right here.
Okay.
So we're gonna do the eyes, and I'm gonna leave a finger space after the nose. Okay, finger space, and we're gonna do a little oval shape. Little. You guys can do your eyes different. Valentina wants to do the eyes like she's smiling, so she's gonna do like upside down letter U's. We're gonna do a flower here on top of the left eye, and it's gonna look like this. We're gonna do a little circle.
Oh, it's cute. Oh.
And then we're gonna do U shapes that are all together like this. We're gonna do a new U shape, U shape, U shape, U shape, U shape. You did it!
I'm gonna do my flower purple.
Okay. Now we're gonna do the head around the eyes and connect it with the flower. And I'm gonna start here from the flower, and I'm gonna go around, and I wanna pass underneath the nose, the eyes, and I wanna come back up here to the flower. Oh, I love it. Good job. Perfect. Now we're gonna do big ears. So behind the flower, I'm gonna go up and down.
Like it's bented.
It's like bended ear, yes.
Yeah, like right here.
On top of the flower?
On top?
Yeah. You're gonna go up, bend it, down. Go down, down, down. Good job. Stop. Perfect. Now we're gonna do from here like a curve. So I'm gonna start curve.
Oh yeah, that's
like
a
this.
good trick.
And we pass really close to the flower. Good. Good. Now we're gonna do in between the ear and the flower. I'm gonna do a line here. Look at it like this. Chunk.
Oops, I already did that.
No, it's okay. You can exactly just like that. And then if you guys still have room between the flower and the ear, Valentina, you can just do.
Wait, that's the bottom.
You
of
can
the
just
ear.
extend this line here. Extend this line a little bit.
Okay.
Like up. Good job. Mine is gonna go one line here for the inside of the ear. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's do the other ear. It's gonna be the same. It's gonna be a big ear. I'm gonna start here from the head, and I'm gonna go up
And
like
down.
this.
Now.
Yeah. Good. Now we're gonna come curving a little bit. So look at this. It's gonna curve, and I want to stop in the middle.
Curve.
Stop. Yeah. Good job. And now we're gonna go in a little. So we're gonna curve in a little. Now we're gonna go the inside of the ear, and I'm just gonna go like a U shape and come back. Good. Let's put the whiskers here underneath the eye. So I'm just gonna go 1, 2.
Okay. But how come bunnies
One,
only have 2?
2. You can put more if you want to. Now let's start with the body. We're gonna do 2 short lines. So I'm gonna do a line here underneath the eye, and another one here underneath the other eye. Good job. Now we're gonna do the 2 legs. She's sitting, and we're gonna do 2 oval shapes. So I'm gonna start here doing an oval shape like this.
Wow.
And come back. Inside this oval shape, we're gonna do a circle, and then 3 little ones. 1,
Like a paw,
2,
paw, paw, paw,
3.
paw.
Yeah, it's
paw,
gonna look like a paw.
Mama, papa.
And in the other side, the same thing. We're gonna do kind of like this oval shape, That one is a little small for me. And then we're gonna do the circle, and 1, 2, and 3.
The circle, 1, 2, 3.
And then we're gonna close the bottom, so we're gonna go like this. We're gonna close the bottom here. And the last thing we're gonna do is the little 2 hands in the center. We're gonna do 1, and the other one is touching here. 2.
Okay. 1, 2.
And then we're gonna mark the line of the floor, so we're gonna put a little grass here. So we're gonna go from here a line, and from this other spot a line.
Line.
And there, that's it. We finished this little bunny that she's getting ready for what? Easter. And now my favorite part is coming, and that is
Let's color.
okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our pictures turned out. We went for different colors. Valentina, you choose what color here? Brown color, and I went for pink. And so at the end we add this grass here, a little bit of grass underneath the bunny. You can add some flowers if you want to. You can add whatever you decide for your background. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time. Bye.